Blueprints are visual scripting language. They allow you to create gameplay elements, character systems, level design, and more. Level blueprints and blueprint classes are the two main categories of blueprints. There is no way to make a different level blueprint for each level in the game. Each level has its own level blueprint. In contrast, blueprint classes are used to create interactive game components that may be used in several levels. To open level blueprint, click here, and open level blueprint. Click Window and select Content Browser and click on it. When you are creating Blueprint class, right-click in an empty space in Content Browser, select Blueprint class, or click the same icon for the level, and click New Empty Blueprint class. These are common classes, and you must pick one parent class. Think of parent class as a blueprint type. You can also expand this to see all classes. Just click on Actor, and the blueprint should be created. Click Save. You can rename it. I prefer adding BP_ at the start of a name, so it's immediately clear that it's a blueprint. If this window opens up when you are opening your blueprint, just click Open Full Blueprint Editor.